Homeowners in East Northport are becoming increasingly aware of how much their doors influence both comfort and energy costs. From keeping out the winter chill to maintaining cool indoor temperatures during humid summers, energy-efficient doors play a vital role in improving home performance. This guide walks you through everything you need to know about energy-efficient door installation in East Northport, from the benefits and materials to professional installation and maintenance tips. Why energy efficiency matters for East Northport homes. East Northport's climate features cold winters and warm, often humid summers. Without proper insulation, traditional doors can leak conditioned air, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and raising your utility bills. Energy-efficient doors are designed to seal tightly, reduce drafts, and maintain stable indoor temperatures year-round. Installing an energy-efficient door not only lowers energy consumption but also improves indoor comfort, reduces noise, and enhances your home's overall value. In fact, energy-efficient upgrades are among the top renovations that attract potential buyers in Suffolk County. Choosing the right energy-efficient door. Selecting the right type of energy-efficient door depends on your home's design, your budget, and your performance goals. Here are the most popular types available for East Northport homes. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the best materials for energy savings. It resists warping, cracking, and rotting, issues common in coastal or humid climates. Many fiberglass doors feature insulated cores and mimic the appearance of wood without the maintenance. Steel doors. Steel doors provide excellent durability and insulation when filled with polyurethane foam. They are ideal for homeowners seeking a strong, secure, and energy-conscious entry solution. Wood doors. While classic and beautiful, solid wood doors are less energy efficient unless they include an insulated core or combined with storm doors for better protection against temperature fluctuations. Glass patio and sliding doors. For homes that incorporate large glass panels, energy-efficient options with double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fills can drastically reduce heat transfer while letting in natural light. When shopping for a new door, always look for the Energy Star label, which certifies that the door meets or exceeds strict efficiency standards. Professional installation. The key to lasting efficiency. Even the highest-rated door will underperform if installed incorrectly. Energy efficiency depends heavily on the precision of the installation process. That's why it's best to hire professional door installers in East Northport who understand local climate demands, building codes, and proper sealing techniques. A professional installer will ensure the door frame is square and level for an airtight fit. Apply high-quality weather stripping and foam insulation around gaps. Check for proper threshold alignment to prevent water or air leaks. Seal joints and edges to prevent energy loss. Proper installation maximizes your door's performance and extends its lifespan, saving you from unnecessary repairs or replacements down the road. Maximizing efficiency after installation. Once your energy-efficient door is in place, a few maintenance habits can help preserve its performance. Inspect weather stripping. Replace worn or cracked seals to maintain insulation. Lubricate hinges and tracks, prevent friction and ensure the door closes properly. Clean glass and frames. Dirt and debris can impact seals and reduce efficiency. Repaint or reseal. Protect wood or fiberglass finishes from moisture and sun damage. Regular maintenance keeps your door performing optimally and preserves your energy savings. The lasting value of an energy-efficient door. An energy-efficient door installation in East Northport offers both immediate and long-term benefits: lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, improved curb appeal, and increased property value. Whether you're upgrading an older home or building new, investing in the right materials and expert installation ensures your home stays comfortable and cost-effective in every season. When it's time to replace or upgrade your door, consider consulting local professionals who specialize in energy-efficient installations. With the right combination of design, materials, and craftsmanship, your new door will do more than just welcome guests. It will protect your home, save energy, and add enduring beauty for years to come.